name is Abbar. Welcome to Sci Classroom. Today I'm going to continue with chess for beginners. Let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to tell the ranks and files and how to name the boxes and the pieces movement. Now let us see the ranks and files. See friends, this is the rank, the horizontal rows or ranks. See friends, this is the file, the vertical columns or files. So the rank starts from alphabet A and ends in H from right left to right. And the file starts from number 1 and ends in number 8. Now let us see how to name the boxes. Now for example, if we take this box, I'll name the box D4. First the alphabet should come and then the number. So for another example, if we take this box, I will name the box. So I told you earlier, first the alphabet should come and then the number. So I'll name the box F7. So this is how we name the box. Now let us see the pieces movement. First we will see how the king moves. Now for example, if we place our king here, the king can move only one step. Forward, backward, left side, right side and diagonally. As highlighted here. Now let us see how the bishop moves. For example, if we place our bishop here, the bishop can move any number of vacant squares in an X pattern, like this. As highlighted here. Now let us see how the rook moves. Now for example, if we place our rook here, the rook can move in any number of vacant squares in a plus pattern, like this. As highlighted here. Now let us see how the queen moves. Now for example, if we place our queen here, the movement of bishop plus the movement of rook is equal to the queen's movement. So the queen can move in a plus pattern like rook. And it also moves in a X pattern like bishop, like this. As highlighted here. Now let us see how the pawn moves. Now for example, if we place our pawn here, with which the first move the pawn can move either one step or 2 steps forward. But in the rest of the moves, the pawn can move only one step forward. And the pawn captures in a completely different way, in a diagonal direction. Now let us see how the knight moves. Now for example, if we place our knight here, the knight can move in an L-shaped pattern. 2 steps vertically and 1 step horizontally. 1 step vertically and 2 steps horizontally. 1 step vertically and 2 steps horizontally. 2 steps vertically and 1 step horizontally. 2 steps horizontally and 1 step vertically. 1 step vertically and 2 steps horizontally. 2 steps horizontally and 1 step vertically. 2 steps vertically and 1 step horizontally. 2 steps vertically and 1 step horizontally. This is how the knight moves. So, this is the end of this video. In the next video, I will be telling you about the special moves of pieces. So, thank you, bye-bye. So friends, if you want to subscribe this channel, click the subscribe button and click the bell icon. And keep watching Sci Classroom channel. Thank you, bye-bye.